In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a YouTube banner using PowerPoint. While PowerPoint is usually associated with presentations, it's actually a very flexible tool that can be used for creative projects like this. First, open PowerPoint on your computer. If you're familiar with it, great. But even if you're new, don't worry, I'll guide you through each step. Once PowerPoint is open, navigate to the Design tab at the top. This is where we'll customize the slide dimensions to fit the exact requirements for a YouTube banner. YouTube has specific banner dimensions, and getting them right ensures your design looks perfect on all devices. In the Design tab, click on the Slide Size option and select Custom Slide Size. This allows you to input precise dimensions. For width, enter 1546 pixels, and for height, enter 423 pixels. Click OK, and your slide will adjust automatically to the correct proportions. Now comes the fun part, designing your banner. Add images, text, and colors that match your personal or business branding. PowerPoint offers many tools for this, from inserting shapes and images to customizing text formatting. Experiment with different styles until your banner perfectly represents your channel's identity. And that's it. With these steps completed, you've successfully created a YouTube banner using PowerPoint. This method is a simple and effective way to craft something unique without needing complex graphic design software. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you make a stunning YouTube banner for your channel.